Hello everyone, welcome. This is going to be a review of the Salvatore Ferragamo Men's 1898 limited edition Swiss-made automatic. The model number is FFQ010016. So this is the nice bag that it comes in for you to carry and protect your watch in. I've actually already worn this and had this for a few months now, but I wanted to make a quick review about it, just tell you how I feel about it, and just let you know my thoughts about it. So let's take it out of the bag. And here it is. So as you can see, it's a automatic. It's a date, so it's got both of those functions. The day is at 12 o'clock. The date is at 6 o'clock. Swiss made down here, the label, as well as automatic, and the Ferragamo brand logo here, as well as up here between 2 and 3 o'clock. So as you can see, it's got gold colored brass numberings. It's also illuminated, it's luminescent, so you can see it at night, as well as, if you look here, the Ferragamo F logo right here. So if you turn around, it's got both sapphire on the front and the back. As you can see, it is an automatic movement. It's a ETA 2834-2 movement. And as you can see, it says here, automatic movement, stainless steel, and this is the cool part. It's a limited edition model. So you can see that mine is number 32 out of 250. It says limited edition right here. So this is the movement. It says Ferragamo on the back right there. You can see the balance wheel here. Let's try to get that to focus a little bit more. Up here. And you can see it's sapphire crystal. So it's a very durable watch. I would recommend this for anyone looking to get their first automatic Swiss-made watch. It retails anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000. Full retail price is $2,000. Definitely worth the money. It's a great dress watch. It's not a fluted bezel. It's a very smooth stainless steel bezel. But overall, it's a great size. So a little bit more about the sizing and everything. It's 40 millimeters. The case thickness is 10 millimeters. And the band width is 19.5 millimeters. It's water resistant up to 30 meters or 100 feet. And that's suitable for light rain, splashes, but I don't recommend that you take this diving. As you can see, it's not a diver's watch. It's a very classy dress watch. So this is, again, a quick show and a overview of this watch. It's a very nice, high quality entry-level Swiss automatic, and I recommend it as it's a very unusual pick for a first dress watch. Most people go with brands in this price range, such as an entry-level Tag Heuer or an Oris perhaps, or maybe even entry-level Tudors. But this is a very good first watch. It's great. It's an attention getter. People ask me questions about it, and I have to say I'm very pleased with my purchase of this watch. So, once again, here you go. And here's what it looks like on my wrist. So, as you can see, it's quite nice. It's got a butterfly clasp back here with the Ferragamo logo. And it's overall very nice fitting. It looks very nice, and again, it's a great dress watch.